Hello. For today's vlog, I'm gonna share to you the stunning beauty of Shakespeare Regional Park dito sa Auckland, New Zealand. Ayan, pumasok na po ako sa gate ng Shakespeare Regional Park. As you can see, I need to clean and sanitize my shoes before entering the reserved park. Pero guys, tingnan nyo guys. Super ang ganda. Nature na nature. Grabe, ang lamig pa dyan. At paglabas mo pa dyan sa mga kahoy, ito ang makikita mo. Napakalaking picture frame na ang ganda. Tingnan nyo. Wow. Grabe guys, namamangha talaga ako dyan sa super ganda ng view. Guys, naglakad ako ng 30 minutes paakyat sa bundok at ito ang tumambad sa akin. Super ganda, grabe. At dito ako tumagal guys. Dito nagpahinga muna ako at grabe, tingnan niyo. Ang ganda. Wow. Parang paraiso, grabe talaga. May mga farm pa dyan sa gilid guys. Ang daming mga hayop. Ito yung lookout guys, tingnan nyo, 360 view, makikita mo paikot, super ganda. Grabe talaga. O yan, alam nyo guys, 2 hours and 30 minutes, inikot ko yan buong park, super laki. Nakakatuwa tingnan talaga, grabe no? Wow, this is my first time here in Shakespeare Regional Park guys. Ito ay napakalawak na park. Grabe, tingnan nyo. This park offers unbeatable panoramic views, provides endless recreation opportunities for people to connect with nature, and supports important conservation work as an open sanctuary for threatened native wildlife. Shakespeare Regional Park has been recognized as one of the best parks in the world by winning silver in the year 2019 International Large Urban Parks Award. Wow, tingnan niyo guys, like super ganda talaga ng park na to. Like pwede kayo mag-camping, mag-swimming, mag-fishing, mag-walking na napakalayo, like 2 hours and 30 minutes yung kagaya ng ginawa ko. Pawis na pawis ako dyan guys, at after ng napakalawak na lakaran, bumalik ako sa lookout. Dito ako nagpahinga, makikita mo ang 360 views na napakaganda, as in super ganda. Wow! Thank you for watching. Please follow and share.